Welcome to Infinite Meditation, where mindfulness meets total wellness. Today we're going to dive into the ancient practice of acupressure and explore how the Shakti Premium Acupressure Mat and pillow can elevate your relaxation, relieve tension, and enhance your overall well-being. So here's a new acupressure mat, fresh out of the box. Just got it delivered today. I'm going to be testing it for the first time. So here on the channel, we're big into wellness meditation, and I wanted to demonstrate something new. This will be new to me. I've done the polar plunges for years. I've done the dry sauna. And flat out, Eastern medicine, in my opinion, is the way to go. So for those of you who aren't familiar with acupressure, it's a healing practice rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. It works by stimulating pressure points along the body's meridians, promoting circulation, releasing endorphins, and easing tension. So it's kind of like acupuncture, but without the needles. Needless to say, it's got a lot of tiny little spikes on it, similar to the nail bed, if you've ever seen that. So the way this works is by applying steady pressure on these points here. Acupressure is supposed to help with stress reduction and anxiety relief, muscle recovery and pain reduction, improve sleep quality, and it's supposed to boost energy and circulation. So we're going to give it our first test today. I'm going to go ahead and use some of our brainwave entrainment meditations that I've designed myself and see if that assists me in overcoming the first few minutes, which I hear are pretty painful. Another thing before I get moving on, I wanted to talk about, I have no affiliation with this company. I had to pay out of pocket on this one. It came as a recommendation from a friend in Florida. I've had a little bit of issues with back pain, lower back pain over the years for my career. And I was hoping to not only see if I can alleviate that, but try and mimic the same endorphin release that I get with the polar plunge. So I did a little bit of research on this after it was recommended and decided to pick one up. And then I decided to share it on the channel, and hopefully it helps you. I wasn't able to find a whole lot of information on this other than videos from the website. So hope this helps. Quick price points on this item. I paid $124.20. That was with a discount code. I'll link that in the description. I'm not sure how long it's good for, but it got me $15 off. And then purchasing the pillow with the mat saved me a few extra dollars as well. In total, I saved about $19. Just my initial impressions of this mat. Design and quality is outstanding. It's made with organic cotton. It says it's non-toxic spikes. Really good craftsmanship. I believe they're made in India. They even included a little note here. This product was handmade by Rita. So that's a nice little touch, a little personalization to it. Unlike some of the budget mats, the Shakti spikes are sturdy and they're very evenly spaced. So we'll find out if it maximizes the pressure without the discomfort. First 20-minute session. Sure, my back looks fairly interesting. Yeah, initial thoughts, very, very painful at first, but as you go, you get quite the relief. And that warming sensation on your back is indescribable. So I'll get a close up on this mat here. Yeah, so there you have it. Initial thoughts are pretty positive. We're going to have to implement that more into the routine and keep you posted on how it's doing. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I got to say the pain initially was, I wouldn't say excruciating, but it was up there. It took a minute to get into the meditation. The brainwave entrainment meditations that we produce, though, I really do think they have a very positive and profound effect on your mental state. So I'm sure that helped me get right into a good sense of mind and put the pain away and get back into the momentariness and fully immersing myself in the experience that is a Shakti mat. But yeah, like I said, very strong tingling warm sensation spreading through my back and my body. After several minutes, pain ceased to exist. I actually got fairly comfortable. The body's pretty quick to adapt. Relaxation really did kind of take precedent. The pillow was good for the neck tension. I do have some neck issues as well from previous injuries. Right now I feel right as rain. Yeah, I am excited to use this and see what it does for me. So 20-minute session. Yeah, I am happy, especially for the price point. I'm feeling pretty good right now. So yeah, full rundown on this Shakti mat. Design absolutely 100% beautiful. You know, they've got the added markings too on the back. Let's just give it a really nice personal touch. Flower of Life design there. This mat, easily worth the money. It wasn't very expensive. Looks like to be a well manufactured quality product that's going to last me some time. Definitely not the most comfortable thing at first, but it definitely gets there. So it was relatively painful at first. The brainwave entrainment products that we produce in Infinite Meditation definitely probably assisted in taking my mind off that pain and getting me into that mindfulness. But it took a second, a little bit of deep breathing, and then before I knew it, though, just this warm sensation came over my back, and it got pretty relaxing after a while. 20-minute session definitely eased the pain on the back, my neck, which I've dealt with for the last 3 or 4 years. So hopefully that's going to become a long-term benefit if I start using this on a regular basis. We'll definitely do an update video and keep you posted on that one. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead initially and recommend this product. Give it a try, see if it works for you. That was my first time doing acupressure, and I think the benefits they claim are definitely legitimate, not a placebo effect whatsoever. So if you're looking for a natural way to relieve stress, ease that muscle tension, and boost your overall wellness, absolutely. Check this product out. I'll put a link to their website in the description. I'm not going to lie, it does take a little getting used to, but hopefully these long-term benefits make it a solid addition to anyone's self-care routine. So yeah, closing thoughts, acupressure is definitely more than just relaxation, they say. It's definitely a gateway to a deeper well-being. And if you're ready to experience its benefits, I think this mat's a good place to start. So if you haven't tried acupressure before, this is for you. Only one way to find out. So if you found this review helpful, though, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights in the meditation, wellness, and mindful living. Until next time, stay present, stay balanced, and embrace infinite wellness.